The machine learning moving average indicator, which is a powerful and innovative tool, is available for various trading platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can easily download the indicator file for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section. To learn more about how it works and how to use it effectively, they can refer to this page for further details. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, it starts drawing a price channel on the chart. The machine learning moving average indicator is a special and practical tool that, by utilizing machine learning algorithms and applying the moving average, displays a band on the chart. When the price breaks out above the upper band of the channel, buy signals are generated, and when the price breaks below the lower band and the candle closes below the band, sell signals are generated. Also, at the time the signals are issued, the midline changes color to match the signal. As you can see here, when a sell signal is generated, the midline turns red, and up to the point where a buy signal is generated, the midline is displayed in blue. Traders can use these signals to enter trades based on the main price trend direction. For example, in this section, we can see that the price has shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. With the issuance of the signal, we can enter a buy position and hold it until the next signal. A buy position is maintained until the next signal is generated, and ultimately a buy position is held until the next signal appears again. During periods when the price action is characterized by making lower highs and lower lows, we have the opportunity to enter a sell position in the market, which is based on the sell signals that are provided. In the settings section of the indicator, under the Inputs tab, there are several different options and parameters available for us to configure. In the very first input field, we are able to specify the window size, which is the period or length of data on which the calculations and analysis are based. Then, in the next parameter, we can set the range that is used for prediction purposes here, and by default, this value is set to 0, but we have the flexibility to adjust and modify its value according to our own analysis and preferences, so that the indicator uses this particular section for its calculations and predictions. In the following parameter, we have the ability to use it to smooth and soften the indicator. If we increase its value, the lines that are displayed on the chart will become sharper and more pronounced, and the lower this value is set, the smoother and more gentle the lines that are shown on the chart will be. In the next parameter, we can also set and adjust the coefficient for the midline, which allows us to further fine-tune the behavior and appearance of the indicator according to our specific needs and trading strategy. We can specify the coefficient based on which the bands are drawn, which by default is set to 2, so the bands are displayed on the chart with a coefficient of 2. In the last parameter, we can also select the price type from among the options listed here. Additionally, in the data window section, the indicator's output values are displayed here. The first parameter corresponds to the midline, the second to the upper band, the third to the lower band, and finally, the width values or signals are shown for us in this section. To change the color of the channel, we can go to the Colors section in the settings and adjust the colors as we like. Based on the gradient we select and the color we set, the gradient will be displayed on the chart. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you shared your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.